Hello everyone, welcome to University Academy YouTube channel. So we are doing network analysis and synthesis subject and आज के लेक्चर में हम लोग देखेंगे ट्रांजिएंट रिस्पांस के क्वेश्चंस यूजिंग द लैपलेस ट्रांसफॉर्म मेथड. ओके एंड अगर आपको इस टॉपिक के हैंड रिटन नोट्स चाहिए सो लिंक इज गिवन इन द डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स, यू कैन डाउनलोड फ्रॉम देयर. Okay, so let us see the question number 1. In the circuit shown below, the switch is closed at t is equal to 0. The I of t for the t greater than equal to 0 is. It means this switch, it is getting closed at t is equal to 0. It means for the t less than 0, this switch is open and we have to find out the expression for this current. That is, we have to find out I of t expression. So first of all, let us draw the circuit at t is equal to 0 negative. Okay, so initially the switch is open, okay, and it is getting closed at t is equal to 0. So this switch is open at t is equal to 0 negative, and also the circuit will be under the steady state condition. Okay, so under the steady state condition we know that the inductor, it will act as short circuit. Okay, so now this inductor, it will be replaced by short circuit. So let us draw the circuit. Here we are having a voltage source and its value is 24 volt. Okay, and this is another voltage source and its value is 12 volt. Okay, now this switch is open. Okay, so this is 36 ohm resistance. Switch is open, so I am not drawing that path. Okay, and this is 24 ohm resistance, and under the steady state this inductor, it will act as a short circuit. Okay, so you can draw this path also. Okay, so now this switch is open. Okay, now the current flowing in this path, it will be equal to IL of 0 negative. Okay, so we have to find out the value of this IL 0 negative. So IL of 0 negative, it will be equal to IL of 0 positive, because inductor does not allow the sudden change in current. Okay, so both the current will be same value. So now both these voltage sources, they are connected in series, so it will be equal to 24 plus 12, and these two resistances are also connected in series, because as it is open, so no current will flow in this path. Okay, so these two resistances are connected in series, that is 36 plus 24. So this will be equal to 36 by, and this will be equal to 60. Okay, so 36 by 60 we are getting as 0.6 ampere. Okay, so we have calculated the value of IL of 0 negative. Now we will draw the circuit for the t greater than 0. Now this switch, it will be closed for the t greater than 0. Okay, so let us draw the circuit. For the t greater than 0, the switch will be closed. Okay, so switch is closed. So let us draw the circuit. So here we are having a 24 volt voltage source. Okay, and here we are having a resistance. So another voltage source is there and its value is 12 volt. Okay, so now this switch, it will be closed. Okay, for the t greater than 0, and here we are having the resistance value is 24 ohm. This resistance is 36. Okay, so this is 36 ohm, and here we are having a inductor. Okay, and its value is 2 henry. So this is 2 henry inductor, and the current flowing is, that is I of t expression we have to find out. So this is RL circuit with DC source. So this is RL circuit with DC source. Okay, so we can use that equation which I have told you, that I of t current, that is current flowing through the inductor, it will be given by I of infinity plus I of 0 positive minus I of infinity into e to the power minus t by tau. So I of 0 positive we have already calculated. Now next we have to calculate I of infinity. It means the current which is flowing through the inductor under the steady state condition. Okay, so let us find out here. So at t is equal to infinity, that is under the steady state, this inductor, it will be replaced by short circuit. Okay, so our circuit will become, so this will be 24 volt. Okay, so I'm drawing like this. Okay, and this is another battery, this is 12 volt, this is 24 volt. Okay, and resistance is there, this is 36 ohm, and this path is short circuited, and this is 24 ohm, and under the steady state this inductor it will act as short circuit. Okay, so the current flowing through the inductor, it is I of infinity, whose value we have to find out. Okay, so now if this 24 volt, it will give the current. Okay, so this current will come and flow from 36 ohm, and then it will flow in this path, as this is short circuited. Okay, and it is offering a low resistance path, so entire current will flow in this path only. Okay, but because of this 24 volt, it will give the current and it will be flowing in this path. Okay, as it is short circuited, so current will divert from here. Okay, now let us apply the KVL in this loop, and we can easily find the value of I of infinity. Okay, so from here the I of infinity, that is current flowing through the inductor under the steady state, it will be given by 24, that is 12 by 24, that is 1 by 2 ampere. Okay, that is 0.5 ampere is current flowing through the inductor under the steady state condition. Okay, so we have calculated I of infinity, and we are getting I of infinity as 0.5 ampere. Okay, we have already calculated I of 0 positive, and it was 0.6 ampere. Okay, so let us write, this is 0.6 minus of 0.5 into e to the power minus of, next we have to calculate the time constant. Now we have to calculate time constant. So as this is RL circuit, so for the RL circuit the time constant is given by L by R. Okay, so multiple resistance are there, so we will calculate R equivalent. Okay, so L value is 2. Now let us calculate R equivalent. Okay, so in order to calculate the R equivalent, we have to deactivate the circuit. It means this voltage source, it will be replaced by short circuit. So this, both these voltage source, it will be replaced by short circuit. Okay, because the internal resistance of a voltage source is 0, so they are replaced by short circuit. Okay, and this is 36 ohm resistance, and this is 24 ohm, and this is 36 ohm. So we will calculate the R equivalent across the inductor terminals. Okay, so from here we have to find out R equivalent. Okay, so as this 36 ohm, it is connected in parallel with the short, so this will become insignificant. Okay, so no current will flow through this resistance, so it will become insignificant. So simply R equivalent we are getting as the 24 ohm. Okay, so let us substitute here, this is 2 by 24, it means time constant we are getting as 1 by 12 second. So if we substitute this value, then we are getting, so time constant we have calculated as 1 by 12, so it will become e to the power minus of 12 into t. So it means the I of t expression we are getting as 0.5 plus 0.1 into e to the power minus of 12 into t into ampere. So this is the answer for this question. Okay, and this is matching with the option 0.5 plus 0.1, that is option C is correct. Okay, so this is the right answer. Now let us see the next question. In the circuit shown below, the switch is closed at t is equal to 0 after long time. Okay, the current I of t for the t greater than 0 is, so we have to find out the current which is flowing through this inductor. Now this circuit consists of R, L and C both. Okay, so जब भी एक circuit में तीनों elements प्रेजेंट है, देन इट इज़ बेटर टू सॉल्व दैट सर्किट यूजिंग द लैपलेस ट्रांसफॉर्म. उससे क्या है कि आपकी जो कैलकुलेशंस है वो बहुत ज़्यादा ईजी हो जाएंगी. ओके, सो सबसे पहले क्या है, फर्स्ट स्टेप तो सेम ही है, दैट वी हैव टू फाइंड आउट दी t is equal to 0 negative condition. Okay, so this switch is getting closed at t is equal to 0, so for the t less than 0 the switch will be open. Okay, so switch is initially open, that is for the t less than 0, and the circuit will be under the steady state. Okay, so when the circuit is under the steady state condition, then the inductor it will be replaced by short circuit, and the capacitor it will be replaced by open circuit. Okay, so let us draw the circuit. So it will be, so here we are having a 20 volt battery. Okay, and it is connected in parallel with the resistance, value is 5 ohm. Okay, so this switch is open, I'm not drawing. Okay, so this capacitor it will become open circuited, and this inductor it will become short circuit. Okay, So the voltage across the capacitor is given by V of C, and the current flowing through the inductor is given by I of L. Okay, so as दिस इज ओपन सर्किटेड, सो इस पाथ में दैट इज इंडक्टर के थ्रू कोई भी करंट फ्लो नहीं होगा, दैट इज आई एल ऑफ जीरो नेगेटिव, इट विल बी इक्वल टू आई एल ऑफ जीरो पॉजिटिव, एंड दिस विल बी इक्वल टू 0 एम्पियर। एज कैपेसिटर जो है वो ओपन सर्किट हो गया, उसकी वजह से क्या है, इस पाथ में कोई भी करंट फ्लो नहीं हो पा रहा। ठीक है, नेक्स्ट वी हैव टू फाइंड आउट वी सी ऑफ जीरो नेगेटिव, एंड इट विल बी इक्वल टू वी सी ऑफ जीरो पॉजिटिव। सो this positive terminal, it is connected with the positive, and negative is connected with negative. It means VC value simply we are getting as 20 volt. Okay, so we have find out both the initial conditions, that is the current flowing through the inductor is 0 ampere, and the voltage across the capacitor for the t less than 0 is 20 volt. Now we will draw the circuit for the t greater than 0. So for the t greater than 0, the switch will be closed. Okay, so this switch is getting closed. So let us draw the circuit. Now for the t greater than 0, we will draw the circuit in S domain. Okay, so we have to convert everything in the S domain. So यहाँ पे क्या है कि जो voltage source है उसकी value क्या है 20 volt. So 20 volt का जो Laplace transform है, it will be equal to 20 by S. Okay, and in the S domain the resistor it will remain as it is. It means resistance में कोई भी change नहीं आता, inductor and capacitor में change आता है. Okay, so inductor in the S domain it is represented by S into L. Okay, then it will be connected in series with a voltage source, and we know how to calculate the value of that voltage source. Okay, similarly capacitor in the S domain it is represented by 1 by C into S. Okay, so let us draw the circuit in the S domain. So first of all we are having a voltage source of value 20 volt. Okay, so यहाँ पे क्या है कि हमें 20 का Laplace transform राइट लिखना है, इट मीन्स 20 by S. ओके, सो वी आर ड्रॉइंग दिस सर्किट इन S डोमेन. ओके, नाउ नेक्स्ट इट इज़ कनेक्टेड इन पैरेलल विद द रेसिस्टेंस. सो जो रेसिस्टेंस है वो S डोमेन एंड टाइम डोमेन में दोनों में सिंपली रेसिस्टेंस ही रिप्रेजेंट होगा, उसमें कोई भी चेंज नहीं आएगा. ओके, नाउ it is connected in parallel with the switch, and for the t greater than 0 this switch will be closed. Okay, so this is switch and it is closed. Okay, next here we are having a capacitor. Okay, so capacitor in the S domain it is represented by 1 by C into S. Okay, and now here the capacitor जो है वो initially charge है. Okay, so we have to represent that value also. So यहाँ पे क्या है कि जो capacitor की जो initial polarity थी, आपको उसी polarity के साथ voltage source consider करना है. It means in the left hand side we have plus and on the right hand side we have minus. Okay, and the value of the voltage across the capacitor for the t less than 0 is 20. Okay, so 20 का जो Laplace transform है it will be equal to 20 by S. Okay, then next we are having the inductor. So inductor in the S domain it is represented by S into L. Okay, and initially the current through the inductor is 0. So if we are replacing that initial condition with the voltage source, so its polarity will be like this, that it will support the current. Okay, and the value of this voltage source is given by L into I of 0 positive. So this I of 0 positive is 0 ampere. So overall this will be 0 volt. 0 volt, it means this voltage source will be short circuit because capacitor के through जो initial current था वो 0 ampere था, जिसकी वजह से इस voltage source की जो value है it will become 0 volt. Okay, so now let us put the value of C and L. Okay, so capacitance की जो value है is 1 by 16 and L की जो value है is 1 by 4. So let us substitute here. Okay, now this resistance it is connected in parallel with this short, so it will become insignificant. It means यहाँ से कोई भी current flow नहीं होगा through this 5 ohm. Okay, so there will be no voltage drop. So let us draw the remaining circuit. So this voltage source it will be equal to 20 by S. Okay, now this is connected in parallel with the short. Okay, because 5 ohm जो resistance है वो insignificant हो गया. Okay, then C value given in the question is 1 by 16 farad. Okay, and L value given in the question is 1 by 4 Henry. Okay, so let me cross check. Okay, C value is 1 by 16 and L value is 1 by 4 Henry. Okay, this is correct. So let us substitute. So if we substitute C as 1 by 16, so it will be coming 16 by S. Okay, and then this is plus and minus 20 by S. Okay, then L value is 1 by 4, so it will be equal to S by 4 and this will become short circuit. Okay, now एज दिस इज शॉर्ट सर्किट, सो यहाँ पे क्या है कि जो 20 बाय एस दिस वोल्टेज सोर्स ये जो करंट देगा इट विल सर्कुलेट इन दिस पाथ ओनली, ओके, बिकॉज दिस इज ऑफरिंग अ लो रेजिस्टेंस पाथ एंड बिकॉज ऑफ दिस voltage source it will give the current in this direction. Okay, suppose I1 of t current is flowing, okay, but in the question we have to find out IL of t, that is current flowing through the inductor and it is in the downward direction. Okay, so so the current given in the question is in this direction, that is we have to find out the expression for this current. So first of all we will find I1 of t. Okay, so this I1 of t, it will be given by voltage source value is 20 by s and this 16 by s and this is plus s by 4. Okay, because both these are connected in series, so यहाँ पे क्या है ये शॉर्ट हो गया, इट मीन्स सारा करंट जो है यहाँ से डाइवर्ट हो जाएगा. ओके, सो I1 of t we are getting as v value is 20 by s divided by 16 by s plus s by 4. So we can simplify it. Let us take the LCM. Okay, LCM we are getting as 4 into s, so this will be equal to 64 plus s square. Okay, so I1 of t we are getting as, so this will be equal to 20 by s into LCM we have taken as 4 into s divided by s square plus 64. So this s will get cancelled out, so we are getting, that is 20 into 4, that is 80 divided by s square plus 64. Okay, so right now this is in s expression. Okay, this will be I1 of s. Okay, we have to find out I1 of t, so let me write this is I1 of s. Okay, because right hand side जो है वो s की form में. Okay, so this is I1 of s. Next we have to find out I1 of t, so for that we have to take inverse Laplace transform. Okay, then we will be getting the I1 of t value. Okay, so if we take inverse Laplace transform, then I1 of t it will be equal to, so we can write this expression as 10 into 8 divided by s square plus 8 square. So we know that the Laplace transform of sine omega naught t, it is given by omega naught divided by s square plus omega naught square. Okay, so यहाँ पे मैंने क्या है उसको उस फॉर्म में लिख लिया, then its inverse Laplace transform will be equal to 10 and the inverse Laplace transform of this value, it is of the form sine and omega naught value is 8 into t. Okay, so this is the value of I1 of t, this is in the ampere, but in the question we have to find out IL of t expression. So the current IL of t is flowing in this direction and we have current which we have calculated is I1 of t, it is in opposite direction, so it means this IL of t it is equal to minus of I1 of t. Okay, so it means we are getting minus of 10 into sine of 8t into ampere. Okay, so this is the correct answer, this is minus sign. Okay, so this is matching with the option a, minus 10 into sine of 8 into t. Okay, so option A is correct. Let us see next question. So question is, in the circuit shown below, switch is moved from 8 volt to 12 volt at t is equal to 0. It means initially this switch is connected to the 8 volt voltage source and at t is equal to 0 this switch is moved to 12 volt. Okay, so for the t greater than 0 ये वाला जो 8 volt voltage source है वो disconnect हो जाएगा. Okay, so we have to find out the voltage v of t expression for the t greater than 0. So v of t is a voltage across this capacitor. So there is a correction in this question. Capacitance value यहाँ पे क्या है 1/6 given है, but it will be 1/5. Okay, so let us correct it. This is 1/5. Okay, so this is the correction in this question. Now let us solve. So c value we have to take 1/5 farad. Okay, so this is the correction in this question. Now सबसे पहले हमें क्या सॉल्व करना है, एट t इज इक्वल टू 0 नेगेटिव. इट मीन्स फॉर द t लेस देन 0 दिस स्विच इज इनिशियली कनेक्टेड टू द 8 volt voltage source. So switch is connected to 8 volt voltage source and also the circuit will be under the steady state. Okay, so circuit is under the steady state. So under the steady state I have already told you so many times that inductor it will behave as short circuit and capacitor it will behave as open circuit. सो लेट अस ड्रॉ द सर्किट. सो यहाँ पे क्या है, वी आर हैविंग 8 वोल्ट वोल्टेज सोर्स. ओके, so this is 8 volt voltage source. So then we have, तो ये जो 12 volt voltage source है, it is not connected for the t less than 0. Then we have the resistance which is 2 ohm. Okay, and under the steady state this capacitor, it will act as open circuit, and this inductor, it will act as a short circuit. So the voltage across the capacitor, it is given by plus minus of vc, and the current flowing through the inductor is I of L. Okay, so यहाँ पे क्या है, कैपेसिटर ओपन हो गया, उसकी वजह से क्या है कि नो करंट इज फ्लोइंग थ्रू द इंडक्टर, दैट इज आई एल ऑफ जीरो नेगेटिव, इट विल बी इक्वल टू आई एल ऑफ जीरो पॉजिटिव इज 0 एम्पियर, एंड Vc of 0 negative, it will be equal to Vc of 0 positive. Then the voltage across the capacitor, it will be equal to 8 volt. Now for the t greater than 0, this switch, it will be connected to 12 volt voltage source. Okay, so let us draw the circuit for the t greater than 0. So for the t greater than 0, the switch is now connected to 12 volt voltage source. Okay, so then we are having a 12 volt voltage source. Okay, so we are having 12 volt voltage source. Then we have resistance. So resistance value is 2 ohm, capacitance value is 1 by 5 farad. Okay, then we have inductance of value 1 henry. Okay, so here we are having a resistance of 2 ohm. Okay, and capacitance value is 1 by 5 farad. Okay, this was a correction, and inductance value given in the question is 1 henry. Okay, so now we will draw the circuit in the S domain. Okay, and we will also consider the initial conditions, that the voltage across the capacitor initially was 8 volts, so we have to consider that also. So in the S domain, this voltage source, it will be represented by plus minus, so it will be equal to 12 by S. Okay, and the resistor in the S domain, it remains as it is, that is it will be equal to 2 ohm only. Okay, then the capacitor in the S domain, it is represented by 1 by Cs. Okay, so this is 1 by Cs, and C value is 1 by 5, so this will be equal to 5 by S. Okay, and it was initially charged, एंड पोलैरिटी जो थी इनिशियली वो क्या थी, प्लस एंड माइनस. तो उसी पोलैरिटी का हमें वोल्टेज सोर्स कंसिडर करना है, दैट इज इट विल बी इक्वल टू प्लस एंड माइनस, एंड इनिशियली द कैपेसिटर वाज चार्ज टू 8 volt. So it's in the S domain, it will be represented by 8 into S. Okay, and the inductor in the S domain, it is represented by S into L. So L value is 1 henry, so it will be simply S. Okay, and the current flowing in this circuit is, suppose, I of S. So we have to find out this I of S expression. Okay, because I of S calculate hoga, then we will find I of T expression. Okay, so let us first find I of S. It will be given by, so this I of S, it is given by 12 by S, that is this voltage source, minus of 8 by S, divided by, so this 2 ohm, 5 by S capacitance, and this S inductor, they are connected in series, so this is 5 by S. Okay, now let us simplify, then we are getting, so this is 12 minus of 8, that is this is 4 by S, and let us take the LCM as S, so we are getting S square plus 2 into S, and this is 5. Okay, so it will be equal to 4 by S square plus 2S plus 5. Okay, now we have to find out I of t expression. So for that we have to take its inverse Laplace transform. So ये क्या है, किसी भी स्टैंडर्ड फॉर्म से मैच नहीं हो रहा, तो इसे थोड़ा रीअरेंज कर लेते हैं. दैट इज इट कैन बी रिटन एज 4 बाय एस स्क्वायर plus 2s plus 1, and then it will be equal to 4. Okay, so denominator को हमने थोड़ा इस फॉर्म में लिख दिया, that is s square plus 2s plus 1 then plus 4. Okay, then it will be equal to 4 by, so this will become s plus 1 whole square, then plus this 4 can be written as 2 into square. Okay, so now this is matching with the form, so we know that the Laplace transform of e to the power minus at into sine of bt, so e to the power at into sine of bt का जो Laplace transform है, it is given by b by s plus a whole square plus b square. Okay, so now a की जो वैल्यू है इन दिस case is 1 and b value is 2 square, that is b value is 2. So in the numerator we want 2, so this 4 can be written as 2 into 2. Okay, so after taking the inverse Laplace transform, we are getting I of t expression as 2 into e to the power minus of t into sine of 2t ampere. So inverse Laplace of this 2 into sine s plus 1 whole square plus 2 square, so it will be given by e to the power minus of t into sine of b value is 2. Okay, so हमने I of t कैलकुलेट कर लिया, बट इन द क्वेश्चन वी हैव टू फाइंड आउट द वोल्टेज V of t. Okay, so voltage V of t is a voltage across this capacitor. So we have drawn the circuit. So V of t is a voltage across this capacitor. So suppose this is V of c. Okay, so we have to find out the voltage across this capacitor. So we know that the voltage across the capacitor is given by 1 by c integration of I of t into dt. It means जो भी करंट का एक्सप्रेशन हमने फाइंड आउट किया उसको हमें इंटीग्रेट करना है, बट आप इंटीग्रेट भी कर सकते हैं या दूसरा मेथड है, यू कैन अप्लाई द केवीएल इन दिस लूप. ओके, सो सबसे पहले क्या है कि हम वोल्टेज अक्रॉस द इंडक्टर फाइंड आउट कर लेंगे, देन आफ्टर अप्लाइंग द केवीएल वी कैन इजीली फाइंड द वोल्टेज अक्रॉस दिस कैपेसिटर विदाउट सॉल्विंग दिस इंटीग्रेशन. ओके, सो I wanted to avoid that integration part, so that is why I am first finding the voltage across the inductor. So as this inductor is connected in series with this capacitor, so same current, that is I of t current flow होगा. So voltage across the inductor is given by L into d of it by dt. Okay, so L value is 1 Henry. So L value is 1 Henry. So it means we have to simply differentiate this equation. So I of t value is 2 into e to the power minus of t into sine of 2t. Okay, so we have to differentiate this function. So it will be equal to 2. So 2 is constant. So मैंने उसको बाहर ले लिया. Then so let us take this as the first function and sine of 2t as second function. So differentiation is given by first function as it is, differentiation of second function. So what is the differentiation of sine of 2t? So it is given by cos of 2t, and the differentiation of 2t with respect to 2 is given by 2. Then second function as it is, differentiation of first function. So first function is e to the power minus of t, so its differentiation is given by e to the power minus of t, and the differentiation of minus of t is minus of 1. So if we rearrange, we are getting 4 into e to the power minus of t into cos of 2t, then it will be equal to this minus 2 into e to the power minus of t into sine of 2t. Okay, so this is a voltage across the inductor, this is in volt. Okay, so now we will apply the KVL in this loop. So now हमें क्या है, voltage across the capacitor find out करना है. So let us apply the KVL in this loop. So this I of t is current flowing in this direction. Okay, so it means current is entering from this terminal, so this will be positive and this is negative. Okay, so यहाँ पे क्या है, current enter कर रहा है, so this is positive and this is negative. So this is VL of t, that is voltage across the inductor, and this is VR of t, that is voltage across the resistor. So if we apply the KVL in this loop, then let us start from here. So first sign is minus of 12, then plus VR of t, then plus VC of t plus VL of t, that is sum of all the voltages in a closed loop is 0. Okay, this is minus of 12. So what is VR of t? So resistance value is 2 and the current flowing is I of t. Okay, then we have to find out VC of t and VL of t, that is voltage across the inductor, just now we have calculated. So this is the expression for the voltage across the inductor. So let us put the value of VL of t here. Okay, so VL of t we are getting, so this is 4, this is VL of t. Okay, so next step I will write down. Okay, so this is minus of 12 plus 2 into, so what is I of t current? Okay, so I of t current we have calculated. So this is I of t, that is 2 into e to the power minus of t into sine of 2t. So I of t we are getting as 2 into e to the power minus of t into sine of 2t, and this is VC of t Okay, and voltage across the inductor we have already calculated, that is 4 into e to the power minus of t into cos of 2t minus of 2 into e to the power minus of t into sine of 2t. This will be equal to 0. So now you can rearrange and then you will get the answer. So it will be equal to 4 into e to the power minus of t into sine of 2t plus vc of t plus 4 into e to the power minus of t into cos of 2t minus 2 into e to the power minus of t into sine of 2t is equal to 0. Okay, so now we can combine these two terms, that is 4 into e to the power minus t into sine 2t and minus of 2 into e to the power minus t into sine of 2t. So from here we are getting the vc of t expression. So this will be equal to plus 12 and it will be equal to plus 2. So when it will go on the right hand side, it will become minus of 2 into e to the power minus of t into sine of 2t. So this will also become minus of 4 into e to the power minus of t into cos of 2t. So we can take 2 common, that is minus of, so let us take minus common, so it will be equal to 4 into e to the power minus of t. So let us first see the options. So option, in the option they have taken e to the power minus of t common. Okay, so let us also take e to the power minus t common, then we are left with 4 into cos of 2t and this is plus 2 into sine of 2t, and I have taken e to the power minus of t common. So this is the answer and this is matching with option 12 minus 4 cos 2t plus 2 sine 2t. So this is matching with the option A. So this is correct answer. लेट अस सी नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. सो अगर आपको वीडियो अच्छा लग रहा है तो प्लीज़ वीडियो को लाइक एंड शेयर ज़रूर करें. ओके, सो क्वेश्चन इज, इन द फिगर शोन the ideal switch has been open for a long time. Okay, so this switch was open initially, and if it is closed at t is equal to 0, then the magnitude of the current in the milliampere through the 4 kilo ohm resistor at t is equal to 0 positive. It means we have to find out the magnitude of the current flowing through this 4 kilo ohm resistor at t is equal to 0 positive. It means जब भी हमें एक particular instant पे find out करना है current की value, then the inductor it will be replaced by current source and the capacitor it will be replaced by voltage source, and inductor और capacitor की जो value है that will be same जो हमने t इज इक्वल टू 0 नेगेटिव पे कैलकुलेट करेंगे, बिकॉज इंडक्टर जो है वो सडन चेंज करंट में अलाउ नहीं करता और जो कैपेसिटर है वो सडन चेंज वोल्टेज में अलाउ नहीं करता. सो इट मीन्स इन द वेरी फर्स्ट स्टेप वी हैव टू फाइंड आउट द करंट विच इज फ्लोइंग थ्रू द इंडक्टर, दैट इज वी हैव टू सॉल्व एट t इज इक्वल टू 0 नेगेटिव. ओके, सो इनिशियली आवर स्विच वॉज open. Okay, so switch is open and the circuit is under the steady state. So when the circuit is under the steady state, then the inductor it will be replaced by short circuit and capacitor it will be replaced by open circuit. So let us draw the circuit. So here we are having a 10 volt voltage source. Okay, so this is 10 volt voltage source, resistance value is 5 kilo ohm. Okay, and under the steady state this capacitor it will become open circuit. Okay, and this is 4 kilo ohm, current flowing is I current. So at t is equal to 0 negative the switch is open. Okay, so this is open, this is 1 kilo ohm, and under the steady state this inductor it will become short circuit. Now the current flowing through this inductor is I of L and the voltage across the capacitor is V of C. So we have to find out IL of 0 negative, it will be equal to IL of 0 positive. So ये क्या है, this path is open circuited, तो यहाँ पे कोई भी current नहीं आएगा. Then what is the value of I of L? So voltage is 10 volt and 5 kilo ohm, 4 kilo ohm, and this is 1 kilo ohm. Okay, so this is 1 kilo ohm. So this 1 kilo ohm, all the three resistance are connected in series, so this is 10 kilo ohm. Okay, so it means what is the value of IL of 0 negative, we have calculated as 1 milliampere. It means for the t less than 0 inductor के through जो current flow हो रहा था वो 1 milliampere था. Okay, now next we have to find out VC of 0 negative. So VC of 0 negative it will be equal to VC of 0 positive. So this VC is a voltage across this terminal and this terminal. It means this is the voltage across these two resistances. तो यहाँ पे 4 किलो ओम and जो 1 किलो ओम resistance है, they are connected in series. So it means it is given by 5k, and current flowing through this path is I of L, which is 1 milliampere. So it means VC of 0 negative we are getting as 5 volt. It means so हमें क्या है, कैपेसिटर के क्रॉस वोल्टेज मिल गया एंड इंडक्टर के थ्रू जो करंट फ्लो कर रहा है इनिशियली इज 1 मिली एम्पियर. नाउ वी हैव टू फाइंड आउट द करंट मैग्नीट्यूड एट t इज इक्वल टू 0 पॉजिटिव. सो at t is equal to 0 positive instant, जो इंडक्टर है it will be replaced by the current source of value 1 milliampere, and जो current source की जो direction है it will be in the downward direction. Okay, similarly the capacitor it will be replaced by a voltage source, and the value of the voltage source will be 5 volt, and उसकी जो polarity है it will be like this, that is upward terminal will be positive and the below terminal it will be negative. So let us draw the circuit. So here we are having a 10 volt voltage source, so this is 10 volt, okay, and resistance value is 5 kilo ohm. Here we are having a capacitor, so this capacitor it will be replaced by the voltage source. So the value of VC of 0 negative we have calculated as 5 volt, because capacitor जो है sudden change allow नहीं करेगा, तो T is equal to 0 positive में भी same voltage maintain रहेगी across the capacitor. Okay, then we have 4 kilo ohm resistance through which we have to find out the current I. Okay, then we have a switch. Okay, so now this switch it will be closed at t is equal to 0 positive. Okay, because it is getting closed at t is equal to 0, so t is equal to 0 positive means after the t is equal to 0 the switch will be closed, so it will become short circuit. Okay, because the switch is getting closed at t is equal to 0. Then we have 1 kilo ohm resistance. Okay, and then we have the inductor. So inductor it will be replaced by the current source, and the current source value it will be equal to 1 milliampere, and it will be in the downward direction. So now what we have to find out, so we have to find out the value of this current I, which is flowing through this 4 kilo ohm resistor. Okay, so now if we take this as a reference potential, so it means this reference is at 0 volt. It means ये वाला जो point है वो भी 0 volt पे, and as this is short circuited because of switch, the potential at this node is also 0 volt. Okay, and इस वाली ब्रांच में क्या है, 5 वोल्ट वोल्टेज सोर्स है. इट मीन्स द पोटेंशियल एट दिस पॉइंट इज 5 वोल्ट. सो वी कैन easily find the value of the current I, which will be given by 5 minus 0, that is the potential difference across this 4 kilo ohm is 5 minus 0, and the resistance value is 4 kilo ohm. So we are getting 5 by 4. Okay, so 5 by 4 is 1.25 milliampere. Okay, so this is the answer for this question, 1.25. Okay, so answer is 1.25. We have to find out in milliampere. Okay, so now let us see the last question of today's lecture. So question is, in the circuit shown, switch SW is closed at t is equal to 0, assuming the 0 initial conditions. It means the capacitor is initially uncharged. It means there is no voltage across the capacitor. So we have to find out VC of t in volt at t is equal to 1 second. So first of all we will find the VC of t expression, then उसमें हम क्या है, t is equal to 1 second we will put, then we will get the answer. Okay, so first of all we will solve for t is equal to 0 negative. So at t is equal to 0 negative, this switch is initially open. Okay, because it is getting closed at t is equal to 0, and the circuit is under the steady state, and already उसने बोला 0 initial condition. It means there is no voltage across the capacitor. So VC of 0 negative it will be equal to VC of 0 positive, it will be equal to 0 volt. Now let us draw the circuit for the t greater than 0. So t greater than 0 के लिए this switch it will be getting closed. Okay, and this is 5 by 6 capacitance value. So let us draw the circuit for the t greater than 0. Okay, so for the t greater than 0 the switch will be closed. Okay, so circuit will become, so here we are having a 10 volt battery, and then we have switch 3 ohm 2 ohm, and then we have a capacitance of 5 by 6. Okay, so this will become, so here we are having a 10 volt battery, then we have 3 ohm resistance, this is 2 ohm. Okay, so this is 2 ohm resistance, this is 3 ohm, voltage source value is 10 volt. Okay, and then we have a capacitance of 5 by 6 farad. Okay, so this is 5 by 6 farad, and the voltage across this capacitor is plus and minus V of C. So we have to find out this VC value. So this is RC circuit with a DC source. So we know the formula to find out the voltage across the capacitor. Okay, so it is given by the formula VC of T. It is equal to V of infinity, that is voltage across the capacitor, Vc of infinity plus Vc of 0 positive minus Vc of infinity into e to the power minus t by tau. So under the steady state, this capacitor, it will become open circuit. So what is the value of Vc of infinity? Okay, so under the steady state, this capacitor will become open. So Vc of infinity will be the voltage across this 2 ohm. So it is given by 10 into 2 by 5. So it will be equal to 4 volt. Okay, so Vc of infinity we have calculated as 4, and already we know the value of Vc of 0 positive. It was initially uncharged, so its value is 0 minus 4 into e to the power. Now let's find out the time constant. So it is given by R equivalent into C. Okay, so if we deactivate the circuit, this voltage source, it will become short circuit. So R equivalent will be this 2 ohm, it will be connected in parallel with this 3 ohm, and C value given in the question is 5 by 6. So this will be equal to 2 into 3 by sum of the both the resistance is 5 ohm. So this is 5 ohm, that is 2 into 3 by 5 into 5 by 6. So time constant we are getting as 1 second. So it will be equal to e to the power minus of t, that is the voltage across the capacitor we are getting as 4 minus of 4 into e to the power minus of t in volt. So we have to find out the voltage across the capacitor at t is equal to 1 second. So substitute t is equal to 1. So we are getting 4 minus of 4 into e to the power minus of 1. Okay, so e to the power minus 1 value is 0.36. Okay, so e value is 2.73 and e inverse value is 0.36. So we will be getting the answer as 2.528 volt. Okay, so this is the answer. So आज के लिए इतना ही. नेक्स्ट लेक्चर में वी विल स्टार्ट दी साइनसॉइडल स्टडी स्टेट एनालिसिस. सो वीडियो आपको कैसा लगा मुझे कमेंट सेक्शन में ज़रूर बताएं. ओके, सो थैंक यू.